guys, part 2 of replacing the hip belt. Buckle. Right, for some reason it's not going in, this one. Okay, if I just get that there, come on, and then we need to get this bugger in. Right, if I just come on, get in there. That's it. Come on, get in there. Son of a... Honestly, I can't get it through, mate. And the problem is, I don't want to be doing this while I'm hiking. Right, if I just... get that as flat as possible. That's it. That is so difficult, mate, isn't it? I might just ask him for a complete, like, hip belt replacement, you know what I mean? Maybe it comes with the buckle itself, you know what I mean? But this is not supposed to have 2 straps in there. That's the problem. It'll come through the other one a bit difficult as well, so I was doing it from the other way, so it's a lot easier. Come on. Come on, just get through. Bitch. That's it. What I want is to basically feed that through that way. That's it. Got that bit there. If I had some pliers, it'd be a lot easier. So I can... That's it. Come on. That's it. Ah, you bitch. Because I don't have a gap, it's a bit difficult to feed it through, but the thing is, I need it to bite down, so while I'm in the field, bitch, I'm going to end up breaking the buckle. Come on. No, it's not going, mate, is it? That is difficult, mate. It's not going through, which is annoying. Problem is that end bit's going to get damaged, so what I'll do that at home. Let's do the other side. The other side's going to be a little bit easier, so I'll take the elasticator bit off. well, it's not elasticated, but it's a webbing. If I just feed that through the webbing there, it's slightly elasticated. We're nearly finished, guys, so sorry about this. Let's try to feed that through. It's hurting my hands now. That's it. And then unfeed that through that clip. And that one should be on the outside, like so. And all you do is feed it through the top, the first one, which is that. It should feed through anyway. That is thin, mate, isn't it? That is difficult, that one. You need like something to punch it through, do you know what I mean? Oh, that is so difficult, mate. Just to push that through there. Come on, just get in there. What if you do it like this? Maybe that might help. No. Maybe that's how you do it, maybe. No. That's difficult, mate. I don't know how to do this. It's just, it's not going in. I need something like a needle or something, like a really thin piece of kit to push it through. Right, I'm going to give up on that, all right? I'm going to just attach that to that. I'm going to leave it at that. So I'm done. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye. See you guys.